Hey guys, welcome back to Kingna. Today we're checking out 12 budget-friendly classic cars, all under $15,000. From luxury to muscle, these iconic vehicles each have a rich history. Whether you're a seasoned collector or new to the classic car scene, you'll find something special here. Let's explore the stories behind these beauties from the golden age of American automobiles. 1. 1959 Lincoln Continental Mark IV. Starting with the 1959 Lincoln Continental Mark IV, a luxury icon of its era. This model is known for its cutting-edge design and status as a symbol of post-war American success. The Mark IV featured one of the largest V8 engines available at the time, a 430 Ci, and was famed for its unique, sleek lines. With power windows, a pink exterior, and its factory original luxury features, this Lincoln is a rare find and a statement piece for any collector. 2. 1979 Chevrolet Corvette. The 1979 Chevrolet Corvette is part of the legendary Corvette family, America's longest-running sports car. Known for its performance and style, the late 70s models like this one maintained the signature fiberglass body, but started transitioning towards a more refined driving experience. Despite the 84,585 miles, this Corvette is described as running like new, keeping alive the heritage of the American muscle car. Three, 1960 Chrysler Saratoga. The 1960 Chrysler Saratoga reflects Chrysler's innovation in both design and engineering. Powered by the 383 Golden Lion engine, the Saratoga featured the revolutionary push-button shifting system, a forward-thinking touch at the dawn of the 1960s. Known for its distinctive tail fins, the Saratoga encapsulates the optimism of early 60s America, a great piece of history for any vintage enthusiast. 1970 Ford Torino. Ford's 1970 Torino was a key player in the muscle car wars of the late 1960s and early 70s. With a powerful 302 engine, this car was designed to compete with Chevy's Chevelle and Dodge's Charger. The Torino was a favorite of NASCAR drivers and has become a classic symbol of American automotive power. This one's been updated and is ready to hit the road, making it a fantastic buy at $12,500. 5. 1964 Oldsmobile Starfire, $12,500. The 1964 Oldsmobile Starfire was part of Oldsmobile's push into the luxury sports car market. Introduced in the early 60s, the Starfire was known for its high-end features like power windows and tilt steering. With only 68,646 miles and a well-preserved body, this convertible is an exceptional find for anyone looking for both luxury and performance in a classic. 6. 1973 Pontiac Grandville. The 1973 Pontiac Grandville was Pontiac's flagship model, a luxury full-size car that was all about comfort and smooth cruising. Powered by a 455 V8 engine, the Grandville was made for long, relaxed drives, showcasing the luxury Pontiac offered in the early 70s. With only one owner and low mileage, this car is in near-mint condition, a gem for any classic car lover. This 1973 Chevrolet Monte Carlo, $4,500. Here we've got a 1973 Chevrolet Monte Carlo, listed at $4,500. It's got 100,000 miles and comes with a new carburetor and headers. The car runs, drives, and stops well. The body is in great shape with minimal rust, although there's some rust in the rear floor pan that's easy to fix. It currently sits on 20-inch wheels, but the seller also has rally wheels if you prefer those. The interior needs work since it's been sitting for a while. The 1973 Monte Carlo was part of the first generation that really embraced the personal luxury car style, blending performance with comfort. Known for its long hood and short rear deck, this car still turns heads. Located near Branson, Missouri, it's a great project for someone looking to restore a classic. 8. 1972 Ford Thunderbird. The 1972 Ford Thunderbird stands as one of the longest-running luxury models in Ford's lineup. Known for its massive size and bold styling, the Thunderbird was a symbol of American luxury in the 70s. This particular model in great condition with only 49,000 miles and a few updates. At $10,000, it's a perfect option for someone who loves big, bold American classics. Nine. 1965 Dodge Monaco. The 1965 Dodge Monaco was Dodge's answer to the luxury full-size cars of the 60s. It was the first year for the Monaco nameplate, and this model was equipped with a 413 V8 engine, known for its power and smooth ride. Recently revived after decades in storage, this car is ready for a restoration project. It's a piece of Mopar history that any classic car restorer would appreciate. For 10. 1966 Plymouth Valiant 200. Compact, economical, and durable, the 1966 Plymouth Valiant 200 was part of Chrysler's push into the small car market. The Valiant was known for its slant-six engine, famed for its reliability. With only 19,580 miles, this car is almost entirely original, a rare find for collectors interested in mid-60s compact cars. (11) 1964 Chevrolet Nova. The 1964 Chevrolet Nova was Chevy's answer to the growing demand for smaller, affordable cars. This model is powered by a six-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission, making it a reliable daily driver even today. With some patina, this Nova shows its age well, and has been refreshed mechanically, ready to hit the road once again. '12, 1965 Ford Falcon. Lastly, we have the 1965 Ford Falcon, a compact car that played a major role in Ford's history. The Falcon was a precursor to the Mustang, sharing many design elements. Powered by a 289 V8 engine, this Falcon is in great running condition and offers a glimpse into the world of mid-60s affordable American cars. That's it for today's selection of classic cars. Whether you're looking for luxury, muscle, or something unique, these cars offer a mix of history and performance. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments which one's your favorite.